In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SendGrid SMTP with Gmail. So in this video, head over first to sendgrid.com and click onto the Start for Free option in order to create an account. If you already have one, proceed to click onto the Sign In. You can also see their plans that they're actually offering by clicking onto the See Plans and Pricing. As you can see, they don't require any credit card for now, but you will have a free trial once you actually signed up. So from in there, you can also head over to a new tab and then go to gmail.com. So once you have head over to your gmail.com, you can click on this. And from in there, you will be redirected to the workspace wherein you can create an account and sign in from there as well. So I have in here this forum. As you can see, if you're sending from gmail.com or Outlook or some other third-party domain, then you or the customer whose behalf you'd like to send control, you're not going to find a way to that. That is because Gmail has Google backing them up and they can only send emails using them that are actually connected to it. We can also see in here that you can actually send email with postfix as well. So on your Google Cloud Console, go to your actual page. So for example, I have in here my instances page. Head over and click on that. Let me head over and click on it, and it will show me to my instances on my Google Cloud Console. Into this page, just head over and look for the SSH option that we have right there. Can proceed to scroll down and locate the SSH that they have available. Now on your right here, you can proceed to create or select a project that you will have to open right there. Let's open right here this project. And once you have successfully opened a project, it should be able to show you the SSH that you can actually control. Now into this part, you can actually configure SendGrid as your SMTP relay with Postfix, which is actually a third party in order to integrate it with Google Cloud. We have in here the super user, save and max, and in here the install Postfix for agent Debian or CentOS. You can modify this and you can add these lines right there and close this and get your API key from SendGrid and do all of those things. I will attach the link of this on the comment section below if you want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.